Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune report for Josh in Tennessee on the Ranger RCI 99N4. Josh, got it ready to go for you, bud? Our tune alignment. Got you in the static noise canceling mic ready to go too. Let's just get right to it. I'm going to start with RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug. 25 watts. In case you decide to run a real big amp, you have full adjustability. 125 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Low, about 215, 220. 500 watt slug MPEP. Hello, 1, 2. Hello, 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 hello. 500 watts plus. Now, Josh, as we discussed, make sure you're running 4-gauge wire or bigger when you run this to the battery. Feed this beast, okay? Hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.